What I wore on my lips at the wedding day was not LipSense. It was something that held up really well, but it did not hold up quite as well as LipSense would have. I just didn't have to reapply gloss to it, and I really didn't have a place to keep my gloss, so that's why I didn't wear it. But what I used was something called Beauty Bakery, and Lip Whip is what it is, and it does stay on a really long time. It is matte, so it does make my lips feel and look kind of dry, but you do have to take a special lip whip remover to take this off. Neutrogena doesn't do it. None of the LipSense stuff does it. But I will tell you, if you use this with a gloss, and especially one of the LipSense glosses, it will take this off. So if you're a gloss person, which I am, I put this on, I let it dry completely, and then I put a little tiny bit of gloss of a different brand that I had, just an old one sitting around right in the center of my lips. That way I could have a little bit of shine without having too much gloss, but so I didn't have to really reapply any of that. Okay, so what I did first is I'm going in with Versailles, and I'm doing it as kind of an outline, and then I'm going to fill in with honey. Because this doesn't apply like LipSense, you don't have to be as like careful about not overlapping or any of that kind of stuff. I'm going in with honey because I want to do it while it's still kind of wet, and I can blend them together. And this is going to go on the inner portion. And that when I blend my lips or push my lips together like that, they're going to blend. So you see it's very dry, it's very matte, which I don't normally do. And for my age, I don't really recommend too much matte lipstick just because it shows all the fine lines and stuff. But I did put a little hint, like I told you, a little hint of a gloss on the fullness of my lips so that it would look, you know, nice. So that is that. Let's pull my hair down. I am going to finish doing my hair like I did that day for the most part. Oh crap, y'all, what I did. Y'all see that? And I will be back with the final look of the whole thing. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and describe every move that I'm making this whole time because it's very, self-explanatory, but I did want to make a few points. I did not do my own hair the day of my wedding. I had a girl who is a hairstylist do my hair, and she did an amazing job, and you will see the picture at the very end of this video that will show what my hair looked like that day. I don't have a picture that is just of my hair or anything like that. It was more, clear, so I hope you guys can get the gist of it. But basically, she was using some hairspray and spritzing kind of as she went, and as she curled my hair, she did use this curling iron. This is mine. It is a 3/4 inch Conair I got from Amazon for I think $8.99. I will put a link in the bottom. It's perfect for short hair because it's not too small, but it does give you can see the waves that you might want. Now the trick to the curling, and for me to get the little flip outs at the end like I wanted, was to slide my hair down slide the curling iron down my hair until I got to about a half an inch or an inch away from the ends. And then I just kind of loosely let it go and pulled it out at the same time. You'll just see I'm just going through my hair, just picking out little spots. I don't have any products in my hair right now, so it was actually holding better than it would normally do without any products. I do believe that the girl who did my hair used a texture powder. But you know what? I can't remember. I was so frazzled at that point. My hair was the last thing we did, and I was about to get my dress on and go out, and I was just already kind of flipping out at that point. So anyway, you will see me mess with it and pull it down. I'm just kind of going curling in different directions. So some of my hair I curl back, some of it I curl forward. I don't know if that's what she did. I do know that we have similar results in the end, other than the fact that I probably just didn't hold the curling iron in my hair just now as long as she did. So she got more of a curl, more of a flip than I achieved in this video. But what she did here is she would take some of that texture and root powder and just put it down the roots a little bit, and then she was spraying it before we added the headband. So I'm just going to mess with my hair for a few minutes, and then I'm going to show you what it looked like with the headband. I did have a veil on the back, and that kind of lifted it up in the back, and of course we sprayed it and bobby pinned that in.